Hi there, John here from Romania and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to present for you a site exclusive for beginners. Are you a beginner in making money online? Do you have an idea to work with, maybe from my channel or another channel here on YouTube, but you need some money to start with? This is the solution for you. But before I start to show you the site and how you can make money with it just completing few tasks, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. This way I know the content I bring to you have a lot of value to you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so I can alert you every day when I posting video just like this one. Here in this site that I am about to show you, you have more option to earn money. And you can make more than $500 per day. Here it's the site and here you win points. But do not worry, that point you can change it easy into money. The first option to make money is by taking survey. One survey is 5 minutes long and pays really well because your opinion really matters. Let me explain to you how it works. Every site where you can find paid survey to do, and believe me there are more than 500 offers, work with a lot of big company that are willing to pay for your opinion about a product or a service. The next solution in this site is offers. You can make up to 3,000 point with one offer and 2,500 point with another. So 5,500 point just from this. Another way to make money is cashback. What this does for you. Once you are registered here and buy something from this big company, and here are a lot of them, you get a percentage of the price back to your card. Isn't that great? Maybe already you buy online. Why pay the whole price? At win section you can choose what do you want to win. You want to win $5 or $100? I think I know the answer. Win 63,000 points. Earn tokens from apps, surveys, and cashback. Earn 1 token for every 20 points you earn. Enter every day for the best chance to win. At the app section you can earn money just by download some free app and play with them for 30 seconds. Let them 10 minutes in your phone, then you can delete them and pass to another app. You can download 5 apps at the time if your net connection is helping you, so you make more money fast. You can refer to some friend this app and you can make some more money. And the most important part, you can take your money via PayPal or direct deposit to your bank account. So this was the site for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. This way you will support me to make more videos to help you make money online. Follow me on Instagram, work_smart not hard. You can find me on Facebook too with the same brand name.